Welcome to the first Noel Jones Ringwood market update for 2018, coming to you from 22 Summit Crescent in Ringwood North.
Well, the last quarter of 2017 saw Ringwood grow again. We had a median price of $955,000, which is an increase of about 3.7% on the previous quarter. This now puts Ringwood at the highest median price in Maroondah. The highest sale for a residential property in Ringwood in 2017 was 110 Wonga Road, a stunning property elevated close to schools and all amenities, and it sold for $3.44 million. And very proud to announce that was a Noel Jones sale, both vendors and buyers very happy. Our prediction for Ringwood in 2018 is to see continued growth due to the strong family demand due to the great infrastructure, Eastland, and the good schools the area has to offer.
We're here to talk to you today about what's happening in and around Ringwood East and what's going on with the median sale price. So Rachel, can you tell us a bit more about what's happened with the median price over the last quarter?
Yeah, sure. There's been some fluctuation in the median house price in Ringwood East in the last quarter. We're currently at 900,000, which is quite substantially different from the same time at the end of the last quarter, which was at $1,030,000. So we're actually down by 10.9%, which is quite a difference. But there was some activity, Matt, which affected the median house price quite significantly.
So over the last quarter, there are a few major landmark sales that actually occurred during those 3 months, which would have inflated that price over the $1 million mark. So we've seen it bounce back, but it's still, there's a lot of confidence out there in the market. So Rachel, new year, any predictions for the start of the year?
Yeah, I think so. I think we can sort of safely speculate to say we might see a couple of sales over the $2 million mark in Ringwood East, which will be exciting. So that hopefully should reflect the fact that there is some real confidence and stable growth in the Ringwood East market.
Well, with the new year here and statistics just come out in the last week, it's a great time to take a look at what's been happening in the 3136 area, and in particular the Croydon North, Croydon Hills area. We've seen amazing growth once again in that quarter. The median price has now risen in Croydon Hills alone to in excess of $930,000. That now positions it some $100,000 higher than the median price across Croydon Central. What is this caused by? Well, we think it's largely to do with the timing of the year and the fact that that area is heavily focused on premium family housing. And with the new school year starting, we see a lot of families rushing into the area over the last 3 months, trying to capture the best home they can as close to those great schools. What it means for sellers is that if you aren't relying on those schools and maybe you're ready to downsize or move from the area, prices are never going to be so strong for you. From a buying point of view, however, you need to move quickly. Getting into this marketplace now, before we progress too far into the new financial year, we think is going to be of a huge benefit to you.
Leading into Valentine's Day, we're running a Facebook promotion called Love Where You Live. To enter, simply like our Facebook page and post a picture of your current or proposed renovation project. Prizes include 3 Bunnings vouchers and 3 one-hour consultations with an interior decorator to make sure that your project finishes on trend. We really look forward to seeing all your entries and wish you all the best of luck.
Well, here's what you need to know at the start of 2018. For those following the spring market, there was an obvious relaxing in buyer intensity, probably due to the fact there was a lot of listings that came in quite late just before Christmas, particularly at around the $1 million to $1.2 million mark in the city of Maroondah. The great news is the market's restarted with very, very good vigour with buyers. Open numbers are almost twice the numbers of what they were in the back end of last year, and we're starting to see some listings now coming into the market as the auction season's about to restart. Some predictions for this year: interest rates will stay very steady, possibly even drop down as the year draws on. Listing stock, we're going to see more listings this year. People are going to make a move. It's a great year to downsize or upsize a property, and it's also a great opportunity for those looking to buy an investment property. Our really hot things to look out for this year is the price price point, anything between $600,000 and $900,000, particularly 2-bedroom or units on their own title, ones that can be downsized, particularly if they're in school zones or close to train stations and amenities. So if you're looking for somewhere to invest in our marketplace, look in the school zones, look close to train stations and amenities, look at those Ripple suburbs like Croydon South and Kilsyth, but there's also great value to be had with 4-bedroom family homes in the heart of Ringwood. So as always, we'd love to help and guide you. Call us directly on 9879 4422. We'll speak to you soon.
Well, thanks for joining us today. If we can be of help with any of your real estate needs this year, make sure you contact us on the numbers below. See you soon.